Difference between subprocess.Popen and os.system. What is the difference between subprocess.Popen and os.system?
If you check out the subprocess section of the Python docs, you'll notice there is an example of how to replace os.system with subprocess.Popen. Does the same thing as. The improved code looks more complicated, but it's better because once you know subprocess.Popen, you don't need anything else. Subprocess.Popen replaces several other tools. os.system is just one of those that were scattered throughout 3 other Python modules. If it helps, think of subprocess.Popen as a very flexible os.system.
Subprocess.Popen is strict superset of os.system.
os.system is equivalent to Unix system command, while subprocess was a helper module created to provide many of the facilities provided by the Popen commands with an easier and controllable interface. Those were designed similar to the Unix Popen command. System executes a command specified in command by calling /bin/shc command, and returns after the command has been completed. Whereas, the Popen function opens a process by creating a pipe, forking, and invoking the shell. If you are thinking which one to use, then use subprocess definitely because you have all the facilities for execution, plus additional control over the process.
Subprocess is based on Popen 2, and as such has a number of advantages. There's a full list in the PEP here, but some are: using pipe in the shell, better new line support, better handling of exceptions,